Hey everyone, welcome back to Tap Tech, where we bring you the freshest tech news and honest breakdowns so you know what's really worth buying. If you like drones, water adventures, or capturing action without hassle, today's video is made for you. Imagine this: you're out paddleboarding, surfing, or just floating in a lake, and you want great aerial footage, but your drone getting wet, crashing, or being hard to control always worries you. What if there was a drone that could float, take off from water, land on water, track you automatically, and worry about all those problems for you? That's what HoverAir Aqua promises, and it could change how we shoot from the water. HoverAir Aqua is the world's first fully waterproof, self-flying camera drone designed specifically for water use. It's made by 00 Robotics, the company behind the HoverAir X1, X1 Pro, and X1 Pro Max. Aqua takes everything those earlier models did well and adapts them for water. Let's go through what makes the Aqua special. First, waterproofing and buoyancy. Aqua carries an IP67 rating, which means it can be submerged in water, up to a point, and is protected from splashes. It also has neutral buoyancy, so it floats. Aqua can take off from water, land on water, even right-side itself if it ends up upside down. Camera specs are strong. It has a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor for high image quality, supports 4K video at 100 frames per second, for slow motion, 12MP stills, plus HDR, and a color profile, HLOG, for richer post-processing. The lens is hydrophobic and has anti-fog and self-heating features to keep moisture off and maintain clarity. Stabilization and flight modes: it uses Smooth Capture 3.0 stabilization to reduce shake, especially over water. There are more than 15 automated flight modes, including snorkel mode, for filming underwater or just below the surface, gimbal mode for cinematic shots, follow me or circle around features, etc. Speed, wind and tracking: Aqua can track subjects up to 55 km per hour, 34 miles per hour. It handles wind resistance up to level 7, around 33 knots. That means it should stay stable in fairly windy or rough conditions. Weight and regulation: under 249 grams, so in many countries it avoids heavier drone registration requirements. That's a big plus for casual users and travel. Battery life: about 23 minutes of flight time per charge in regular use. Probably a bit less in high wind or flying aggressively, but for its class this is solid. Built-in display and controls: Aqua includes a 1.6-inch AMOLED screen on the drone itself. That means you can preview footage, adjust settings, or start/stop recording without pulling out your phone. Also comes with a wearable accessory called the Lighthouse, which acts like a remote/control system you wear on your arm. It helps with takeoff, landing, recalling the drone, and setting tracking modes. Safety and smart features: there's a virtual tether feature so that if the drone drifts too far, it will automatically return. Also, the lens and body have anti-fog and hydrophobic design elements so water doesn't ruin the shots immediately. Price: early bird backers got Aqua for $999. It's a premium price for this class of self-flying camera drone, especially given its water-capable build. Now, what might be limitations or things to consider? First, even though it's waterproof, there are limits. It's not made for extreme underwater use. Scuba diving or deep submersion is not its purpose. Also, fogging, spray, saltwater corrosion over time may still pose wear and tear. Changing batteries or accessories needs dry conditions. Second, weight under 249 g is great, but flight time is only 23 minutes. If you're shooting long sessions or high wind, expect less. Also, higher performance video, 4K per 100 frames per second, uses more power. Third, price is steep. $999 is not small money. For people who just want simple aerial shots, cheaper drones or action cams may suffice. The value comes when you need the waterproofing, the tracking, and ease of use without manual drone piloting. Fourth, some features are limited, no mention of obstacle avoidance in all directions. Water scenes are messy reflections, glare, unpredictable motion. Tracking may struggle in low visibility or in big spray or heavy waves. Also, storage is built in, but you'll want to offload and manage files properly. Who this is great for: water sports enthusiasts, surfing, kayaking, paddleboarding, wakeboarding, content creators who anti-cinematic shots without dealing with controllers, people who want hands-free filming on water. Also travelers who want one versatile device rather than carrying a drone plus action cam. If you already have a HoverAir X1 or X1 Pro, Aqua is a big upgrade if you often shoot around water. If you rarely go near water, some of its advantages may go unused. It depends on how much the water-capable features matter to you. Overall, HoverAir Aqua seems like a meaningful evolution in self-flying camera drones, waterproof, buoyant, intelligent, and purpose-built for water. It blends features of action cams plus drones in a way few other devices do right now. That's the full picture of the HoverAir Aqua. If you found this useful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tap Tech, and ring the bell so you don't miss when this drone starts shipping and real user reviews come in. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay adventurous, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.